everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set Google as homepage in Microsoft Edge. How to set Google as homepage in Microsoft Edge. The first thing you do is launch your Microsoft Edge browser, which is exactly what we've done now. And the next thing you're going to do is tap on the three dots here, three dots over here, click on it to open up the settings page, this drop down menu. Then you click on settings. Now from this left menu over here, you're going to click on start home and new tab pages. And then from here, when Edge starts, what should happen? So you choose open these pages, and then you see these pages. You can either clear the list and set it to all currently open tabs, or just simply go to pages, which is the best thing to do. Go to pages here and click on add a new page, and then you want to use Google as a home page, so you tap google.com. So it has been added. Then you go down here to home button. So the next thing you do is here, make sure over here this is also google.com. If it isn't, type it in and tap on save, and that's it. That is how to set Google as homepage in Edge. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.